Hi, I'm Marlo Ryan and this is HR Decision. I'm going to show you today how to build a foundational headcount report. It's going to include active employees, your total active employees broken down by male and female. It's also going to be broken down by new hire for the year and separated employees for the year. It's going to include the average tenure for the active employees, and it's going to include the average tenure for the terminated employees. And when you click on any of the bars for the new hire count, it will show you specifically how many of the active employees are within each department, race, age group, job level, and percent male, female, and going to count male and female. You also too can get information about your specific demographics by clicking on any of the visuals that are within the foundational headcount. So you can quickly tell by manufacturing that there's 169 people in manufacturing. There's 88 males and there's 81 females. And then you can see by there's 23 individual contributors, 103 non-exempt, etc. So let's get started. Since this is a foundational headcount report, I'm going to assume that you don't have knowledge of really how to get it from Excel into Power BI. So I'm going to show you how your Excel files need to be set up in order to best take advantage of building a foundational headcount. And from there, you can leverage your foundational headcount into many other insightful dashboards. Let's get started. For all of my examples, I'll be using a fictitious company called Morningstar Gene. It's a heritage and gene therapy testing company. It has slightly under 500 employees, 10 years of business experience, several business units, and a mixture of non-exempt and exempt team members. We're going to format our data so it's clean and easy to read in Power BI. Data we are working with in order to build our foundational headcount dashboards are hire and termination dates, race, gender, job classification, age group, and business units. Let's get started.